Good morning. You're looking at the hawthorn, a very valuable tree to have. Its berries and leaves can be used for medicinal purposes. What I want to show you in this video is how over the seasons other small trees can grow quite tall and start filling out very full. That will affect your garden, your plants, and everything that you're trying to grow in your yard. What I've done is I've come over here, start pulling down some of these small young trees, clearing out, letting the light in to open it up for my garden. I have chosen not to take all the branches and everything out to the curb, but instead I'm going to crush them up, chop them up, what they call a chop and drop. I'll talk to you about chop and drop in a later video. Then I've taken them over, and as you can see, this is the first pile that I've piled them in over the winter and let them start decomposing. This is the first phases of what you call hugelkultur, and I'll explain what hugelkultur is in later videos. It's better to take what is growing on your property that you don't have to maintain, that automatically grows and pulls everything that it needs in nutrients, and you take those trees and those bushes and follow the 7-layer canopy theory. Start cutting some of those trees down, letting them decompose, chopping them up, and then retilling them back into your own soil. There's no reason to import bags of mulch or compost from other states and other cities when you have what grows naturally in your own backyard.